Hey guys, welcome to the Whimsical Workshop. It is that time again. We have another Open Gate subscription box to open. This is, I believe, the October one. So let's get started. Yay! Alright, so I haven't opened this one yet. You can see the post office was not very the UPS people were not very kind to my box, but seeing how it's a fabric thing, I'm hoping it's fine. So let's crack into it and see what we got. Now, I have subscribed to them for more than 3 months. I really did like the first 3 boxes. I took a break from YouTube in August, September, so instead of putting those older videos up, I'm going to go ahead and start with the October one and do one more for November, so you get to see 3 different boxes. If you are interested in seeing the older unboxing videos, just leave me a comment below. I can certainly edit them and pop them up. I just figured it would be better to be more current. So, all right, let's see what we got in this guy. There we go. Just a little bent up. Ooh, and this is the October box, it looks like. Yes, it is. All right. So, what did we get? I see a pumpkin, which is, I love Halloween. So let's see if I'm... Oh, not disappointed. All right. So this is our list. It tells us all the things we have in here. I will take a look at that here in a second. But let's see what we got. This spooks on you. 2 18-inch pillow kits. Oh, look at those. Look at those. How cute are those? I would definitely use those. So there's that. We got some nerds and a tiny tote kit. That is really, really cute. All right, and then we've got, these are ruler stickers. Actually, I just started carrying these myself. They're little arrows that you can put on your ruler. I'll show you that when we get through the rest of the box. Aurifil thread, 50 weight, black, which I know we can use. And then this month we get a fat quarter of candy corn. Every month you either get a fat quarter of fabric or you get one of her patterns. Obviously, as a pattern designer, I like the fat quarter months better, but again, I'm kind of different from most people because I design my own quilts. The patterns she's given us have been really, really cute, and I have handed them on to my friend who also quilts. So let's break down what we got. All right, the main project is the Spooks on You pillow set. You have enough fabric to do the front and binding for the 2 pillows. The backing is not included, but I'm pretty sure this fat quarter will work as a backing for one of them. This is featuring the Spooky Night fabric from Grace Pop from Studio E Fabrics, and the fat quarter is also from the same company, so they do match. So I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure this will work. Let's see here. For the quick project, it is a Tiny Treats tote kit, including Bewitched fabric from Michael Miller Fabrics, with enough fabric to do 2 tiny totes. Those are going to be really cute. They are 4 by 4 by 2. Very little. And they come with, let's see here, 1 of each, 2 ribbons in teal and black for the handle, so the ribbon is in there as well, and the picture and pattern, and a package of Nerds candy. You know, yum, yum, yum. So there's that. The notion of the month is the Easy Ruler sticker arrows to mark your rulers, which I will show you. I'll pull out a ruler here. We've got our Aurifil 50 weight thread and a fat quarter with the Spooky Night fabric, which we've talked about. Let's see here. She does give you a video on YouTube, so you can go over everything in the box, and she talks about it and shows you how to use the items. And you get to cancel the 10th of every month, which again, I said that last time, is very, very good, that you don't have to like commit to 3 boxes. You could get 1 and try it. And like I said, I have continued this one because it is really fun. The fact that we get a complete project, not 1, but 2 complete projects each month is a hit for me. And so far the projects have been so, so cute. Let's just really quickly open these up so you can see. So what she does is she has her pattern. Oh, and this one even has got all the illustrations on it. So this is new, these colored illustrations. I'm really happy to see that because I think that always makes the pattern stronger. Then she always gives you a real old-fashioned photo, which I think is kind of cool. and that shows you the pillows in a very pretty shot there. So that is project 1. It looks really easy. It's some flip and sew, the panel, and she even shows you here how to cut your fabrics. And this is something I feel like the Spooks on You pillows, I could do them very quickly and put them out in my living room before Halloween, which is 2 weeks away. So, you know, not like I don't have a million other things to sew, but I may very well try that. Then for the little totes, let's check this one out. And again, this time the directions have full color illustrations, which are absolutely wonderful. All the fabrics are dropped in, which is a nice touch. Very nicely done illustrations and instructions. Again, showing you exactly how to cut it so we don't waste the little pieces of fabric, which is nice. And those are going to be really, really cute. And this is something you could take and use your other scraps of fabric and make little totes out for Christmas, for Thanksgiving, for, you know, you could do them as little placeholders for Thanksgiving. That would be really cute. All right, so there is that project. And of course the nerds, which will go to Matthew. That's not my kind of candy, it's his. And our thread. Now, let me grab a ruler here and show you how to use the ruler stickers. And these actually will be going up on our website here in the next couple of weeks. I'm just waiting on some more to come. But they're little arrows, and you peel them off. And say you want to do 2.5 by 2.5 here. You would just put the arrow on your ruler and point it to right where you want it to be. So that when you lay it down, you don't accidentally use another line on the ruler. So that's cool. And they do, I believe, peel right off, and they're sticky, so you can just reuse them. What I usually do with this kind of stuff is I just leave it on my ruler. Next time I go to use my ruler, I'll just peel this off and move it to where I want it to go. But yeah, that's a very cool little notion that we got in our box this month. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick unboxing from Open Gate Quilts. I will put all the information below for them and to subscribe to these boxes, as well as all our information. Again, I've had a lot of fun with these. I will show you the November box when I get it next month. And we are also starting our next round of subscription projects with Annie's. We did the Fat Quarter Club and the Holiday Club, and you should be seeing those videos up here very soon as well. So, as usual, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Leave me a comment if there's a type of box you'd like me to unbox and show to you, and I will see you next time.